Hello everyone. I'm going to show you how easy it is to do sky replacement in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. As we can see here, I've already imported the video for this example. Now go to the color page, and then here is the first step is to add a new serial node. We can add this by pressing Option or Alt plus S, and then in this new serial node, we have to add a layer node. We can add this by pressing Option or Alt plus L, and now with this node here, we'll change the sky. In the node above, we'll control the building area. And now we're going to eliminate the existing sky. And now go to the qualifier, and then select the Qualifier 3D. Now here make sure that we have activated the selector, by going to this drop-down menu, which is located just on the bottom left-hand side of the viewer monitor. We have to activate this qualifier, from this drop-down menu. Now to select the sky, we need to click and move the qualifier, all over our sky, and now we can use the picker add or picker subtract tools to add or remove from your selection for more precise adjustments. Now add some pre-filter, just a little bit, and clean black, to remove the black edges from the selection. And the same in clean white, if you have some white edges. Once we have all the selected sky. And now go to Effects Library, here search for Match Move, and now just drag and drop this effect to this node. Now right click on this node, and then deactivate the Alpha OFX, this is not necessary for us. And now we can import our new sky video. Note that you can find these types of sky videos on the internet very easily. Now we are going to connect this new sky with this node. And now click on this node and then go to the effect of Match Move. And now from this drop down menu of the Show Controls for, select Compositing, and now this will show us the new sky. At last, remember that we have the layer of the sky and the rest of the background, in two different nodes. We can modify them individually so that they are as similar as possible because the lighting does not match. And that's how easily we can do sky replacement in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe. Happy editing!